everyone, welcome to Alkesh Dinesh Modi Institute. This is our segment Unfiltered with Media, presented to you by the Media Committee of our institute. Come on! Okay, so welcome to Unfiltered with Media.
Thank
This
you.
is a segment by the Media Committee of our institute. So before we begin, I would really love you to introduce yourself, your batch and your specialization.
Okay, so first of all, my name is Mayur Pawar. I should look at there and
It's
so.
fine if you look at me or
Acha.
look at the camera.
My name is Mayur Pawar. I started here in 2018 and I joined alumni committee. I was coordinator of 1820 batch. I passed out at 20. My specialization was marketing and I started working in GEP solutions. So I got placement from here itself. From GEP, I was there till 4.5 years. I recently, last year, changed my job to WNS. For 4.5 years, I've served numerous clients into procurement consulting, and I'm still into that. Specialized into marketing procurement, and still serving the same industry, different clients.
That's
So yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
So I hope you are having fun being back on the campus today.
Yes, definitely. I personally am saying that I came after 5 years.
Okay.
Last alumni admirals that I came in was my batch, that is 19.
Okay.
After that, I'm coming here after 5 years. So yeah, it feels good to be back. So many old faces.
What's the one thing you miss the most about college? Or
One thing I
LPH
miss-
Dinesh Modi specifically?
Hosting this, I missed it because I was there during 2019 and it was a 25th year,
Okay.
the Silver Jubilee year. So we used to
Yes.
call it the Silver Jubilee year, and yeah, it was amazing because since the morning till night we always used to be here. Definitely all these arrangements and lectures, we had great faculties. I always tell all my friends that Alkesh Dinesh Modi has one of the greatest faculty that you can get.
I'll agree to you on that.
Yes.
Also, you said you're the coordinator of the alumni committee. So it's a myth or a fact, I do not know, but being a part of the committee, skipping or bunking lectures go hand in hand.
That is something, okay.
So did you skip or bunk
We
any
did.
lecture?
We did. I'll agree to it. Now it doesn't matter even if I lie about it.
Yes.
But we did skip lectures for 1 month for this alumni preparation. And not only me, but all my batchmates, not all my batchmates, all my committee members skipped that lectures.
Okay.
So we never attended the entire month. We didn't attend any lectures. But yeah, it was a successful. So
Apart from the event, did you ever skip or bunk lectures?
yeah, I have.
And which is the most lectures you bunked? Of which professor? Like you didn't like to sit at all?
Which professor? So there was this professor. So actually there is the opposite. So there is this one professor we used to not bunk at all.
Okay.
Rest others I have bunked at least once. But there is this one professor, Bhutani sir.
Okay.
He used to teach us business statistics. I don't know if he's still teaching. Bhutani sir is not there. So he used to teach us business statistics, maths basically. So we should never miss lecture because every time if you miss the lecture, the very next lecture if you attend, he'll ask you that पिछले lecture क्यों नहीं था? And when you answer it, he'll make fun of you in front of the entire class. So that is something that we don't want to happen. So we'll at least sit in the lecture.
Okay. So, since our institute is so huge, we are on such a huge campus on the University
Definitely.
of Mumbai. What is the one hangout spot you and your friends used to chill at or love to be?
Hangout spot.
Yes.
So there is this little space on this left side when you go outside.
Outside
Little-
our
little-
college
हाँ.
campus. Okay.
Yeah, when you enter the college, from right side if you enter, so there is a little space over there to sit. So we used to sit over there for preparations and all that. Sometimes exam preparation, we used to sit there in silo and
Yeah.
used to read and all that stuff. So that is one place. Second, yeah, there is a green shed canteen behind.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this one. I think it's right here,
Yeah,
right?
it's
Yeah.
here,
So we used to sit there and hang out as well. So
So you said you were part of the alumni committee and you were the coordinator. So of course you were a smarty back then. But apart from alumni events, which is a certain event you really enjoyed or it's unforgettable and you miss the most?
I missed the movie. So
Apart from alumni, okay?
yeah. So artillery committee used to organize this every Friday, every Sunday. They used to organize this debate or group discussion.
Okay.
So I used to like participating in those. Maybe I won't say I'm a geek or something, but I used to like to participate in such things where academics is also involved.
Nothing about the cultural committee.
Cultural committee, so there was zest. Definitely, it was
Did you
the
enjoy it
start.
back then? Like,
Yeah.
you just got done with Zest like a few days ago, max days.
हाँ, sure.
Did you enjoy Zest during your time?
We did actually. So I still remember there was this fashion show that was happening, and even we participated in that fashion show. We didn't win, but yeah,
It's okay. It's all part to just to have
yeah,
fun.
participation is important.
Yes, at least you did. We did not do that.
Definitely.
Okay, so one thing you'd like to tell the current students of Unpaged today.
So just a few minutes back, me and some of the students upstairs in the conference room, we were talking about this placements and opportunity. So I would really recommend all the young, I mean the first year, maybe it's the second year whose placements are still remaining,
Yeah.
take the opportunity which is coming in front of you.
Yes.
The first break is very important.
Yeah.
डोंट से कि बॉस ये सैलरी इतना कम है, मुझे अभी इतना 3 लाख मिल रहा है, 4 लाख मिल रहा है, उसको 10 लाख मिल रहा है, 5 पहुंच जाओगे वहाँ तक, स्टार्ट तो करो. जीरो मिलने से अच्छा 3-4 लाख मिलना इंपॉर्टेंट है,
Yeah.
बिकॉज अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत कम आएंगे. वी आर नॉट tier 1 इंस्टीट्यूट एंड दिस इज अ फैक्ट. वी आर नॉट tier 1. कंपनीज आर नॉट लाइंड अप. आवर एलुमनाई बेस इज स्ट्रॉन्ग. यूज दैट एलुमनाई बेस, ब्रिंग मोर कंपनीज. थोड़ा स्मार्ट प्ले करो यार. बाहर IIMs के बंदे, दे आर नॉट डिफरेंट देन अस. दे जस्ट यूज देयर लॉजिक.
Yes.
They know the right question. Their eye for detail is very important. Work on yourself. How can you offer something different? Employees बहुत मिल जाएंगे. और कॉलेज में बहुत employees मिल जाएंगे. तुम लोग क्या different offer कर सकते हो? Basic technical skills वगैरह सब कुछ सब जागन. Don't lie in the interview. Say you don't know. I don't know. I'll use my logic and figure it out. I've been doing that since the beginning. I'll do it till my end. That's it. But grab the opportunity. I would recommend grab every opportunity. If you get the opportunity, grab it, figure it out how to make a good one out of it. ऐसा है.
So were you placed on campus?
On campus, I was the first person to get placed from my batch.
That's really amazing.
GP. First internship, first placement. ये मैंने उठाया मेरे batch से तो मैंने उठाया.
So you were a smarty back then.
I was not the smarty
You
back.
were the first one to get placed. So
That is something other people will say about me. I won't say about myself.
Okay, it was lovely having you.
Yes,
I
thank
hope
you so
have
much.
A wonderful
नहीं,
evening.
definitely.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much for having me.